Hey there friends, it is me, HLModTech, and I've taught a lot of things over my years, but this year I got to teach a class called Flight in Space. And because of that, I got invited today to see the Tulip City Air Force remote control airplane battle. So my friends, let's get cracking. Alright, so this is the Tulip City Air Force, and we are getting ready for an air combat battle. So these aircraft all have streamers on them. They're all the same model, but they're all painted different. And then you score points by clipping somebody else's streamer. Now that one over there that's got the yellow and stripes is actually by one of the students I taught in Flight in Space.
Yeah, I used to live in Kalamazoo, Burton. Okay. Well, walk distance from last game. That was the best part. Oh, yeah. A block and a part. It's always a good thing.
So that was free flight, and right there you just heard the yell for game time. So now they're all in battle, trying to clip streamers.
I've flown 45 seconds and I haven't shot.
Yeah, I got even by 8.
Oh, do you? I want to come and visit you then.
There's a little bit of streamer falling.
Oh, I got to show you when I got my birthday. When it rains.
There are 4 rounds of 5-minute competitions. This event had 22 pilots, which was a record for the club. You earn points for cutting other people's streamers, like those pieces you see falling right there. Unlike drones where you watch the screen as it flies away, these pilots are watching their aircraft and controlling them with thumbsticks. You earn points for the takeoff, and you also earn points for the landing, as well as all the cuts while you're flying. Ooh! Two of them got taken out there. A full round is 5 minutes, and they are notified they have 1 minute left, like you heard there. And now they get points for the landing. Alright friends, so it was Tyler that invited me out here. He was in my Flight in Space course, and this is his aircraft. This kid is called the Red Baron, right?
Bloody Baron.
The Bloody Baron. Now unfortunately, after battle, sometimes you have some wounds. All throughout the area, there is hot glue and tape being used right now to get the plane's back flight ready. This controller, it works with many different aircraft, right?
Yeah.
Nice.
Supposed to be like up to 50.
Woo! How long can you fly on one battery?
About 6 minutes, 6 to 5 minutes, somewhere around there.
And then are your other aircraft battery powered as well?
Yes.
Sweet. So with all the aircraft taped, glued, and bandaged back together, they take to the skies for another series of battle. Spectators are welcome and there is no charge for admission. I will make sure that I have the address in the description and see if I can find a link to a website so that you can find more information if you are interested as well. The air battle was a ton of fun to watch, and in the end, points were tallied, but everybody was the winner as they all got to have a lot of fun flying their sweet RC airplanes. When the air battle was complete, pilots brought out their airplanes they used for fun, and I was treated to quite the private airship. That is nuts. This is Tyler's jet that we saw underneath the table.
My nose is at full.
Alrighty friends, I'm signing off for my time here with the Tulip City Air Force Remote Control Group. My friends, it was a blast. If you ever get a chance, make sure you check them out. If you enjoyed the video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you got any questions, comments, or suggestions, add them down below. If you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Smash that subscribe button. And last but not least, hit that notification bell if you want to be the first to know this brand new video from me, HLModTech. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.